Hello, my name is Rafael Saladar, Applications Engineer here at AW Lake. Today I'll be demonstrating the programming and installation of our portable clamp-on ultrasonic flow meter. Today is our unit, and here is the case that it'll be coming in. For the water heater, we'll be using the A transducers for 3/4 inch pipe. So we'll start by programming the electronics for that pipe size. So we'll start by going to our setup menu, arrow right, down to setup, and arrow right again. We are using the size A transducers. The angle is already input. Our fluid will be water. Mode will be fixed. Temperature 77. Pipe material is copper. The OD we can see from the manual, 0.8750. Wall thickness is 0.0320 inches. There's no lining. We have 2 crossings, 0 tear. Gives us the sensor spacing that we're looking for our installation, so we can go ahead and install our transducers. Here we have our installed hardware. And as you can see, the transducers have the ports pointing out and they're clamped on as shown, making sure that we have the 10 times pipe diameter upstream and 5 times diameter downstream to bare pipe with the lubricant on the transducer face to get good electrical signal. The cables are mounted upstream and downstream, so since our flow is upward, we'll attach the cables accordingly. Upstream would be to the upstream transducer. Downstream would be to the downstream transducer. And likewise, the meter is labeled with the upstream and downstream ports. So make sure you connect the cables correctly. The downstream will connect to the downstream. Snaps in, and the upstream to the upstream. We can log out and make sure that we have our 100% signal strength, which we do. And now we can go ahead and run flow to make sure that we're getting good readings. Start some flow here and see what our readings are. We can increase and decrease flow accordingly. And we have our readings without cutting into the piping. That is how you program and install our portable clamp-on ultrasonic flow meter. Please visit our website if you have any other questions.